Okay, so this is the 100 kilowatt microwave generator, and then coming out of the generator we've got the waveguide, which comes into past a double quartz window, which protects from steam or anything else coming back towards the generator. And then down here we have our pipeline. So down this end of the pipeline there's water sitting in the pipeline that's getting heated by the microwaves, and the steam's travelling back up the pipeline and coming out here, as you can see. Oh, yep. And that's pretty much it.